Stainless steel inlet hose. Stainless steel outlet hose. Under sink water filter system. Wrench tools. 3/8, 1/2, converter. 1/4 quick connect lock clip 4. Teflon tape. Installation instructions. Step 1. Connect the inlet and outlet hoses to the filter head. Once the tube is fully inserted, place the blue lock clip on the fitting to lock the tubing and prevent it from falling off. Step 2. Shut off the water supply and remove the faucet hose. Step 3. Connect the inlet hose. 1. If the angle valve outlet is 3/8, you can connect it directly to the water supply. To do this, connect the inlet hose to the water valve, and connect to the outlet hose to the faucet hose. 2. If the angle valve outlet is 1/2, you need to connect the inlet hose with the number 1 converter first before connecting it to the water valve. And then connect the outlet hose with the number 2 converter first before connecting it to the faucet hose. Step 4. Flush the filter for 5 minutes before use. Check for any sign of leaks. Filter replacement. Step 1. Turn off the water supply and turn on the faucet to release the water pressure. Step 2. Unscrew the housing with the wrench tools and pull out the old filter cartridge. Step 3. Insert the new filter cartridge into the designated slot and push gently until it reaches the final position. Once in place, tighten the housing to secure the cartridge. Step 4. Turn on the cold water valve and flush the system for 5 minutes.